can be hot as peppers or sweet as candy. But you know what they say, everyone's taste is different. No one would like to find themselves in the middle of this confrontation, though. Meet Candy. You don't need to take a closer look to understand. This girl loves candy. Her counters are so full, but not of beauty products. She has a variety of sweets and treats. She still has a makeup brush, of course, and a powdered sugar palette. Well, what else could such a sweetheart use? Everything adds up. Spicy is Candy's college classmate. There's no room in her life for sweetness. Her lips don't seem red enough. What about using a chili pepper? Don't try this at home. I look so spiced. Chili bonus. She's no stranger to hot peppers. However, she likes them ground up, too. Nothing makes a better blush for spicy. Time for breakfast. The girls' diets are extremely different. Spicy likes everything hot. Candy keeps everything sweet. She even wants to make a vanilla Coke sweeter. Well, the experiment didn't go quite as planned, but Candy isn't upset. It's delicious! For Spicy, it's the opposite. Nothing is hot enough. She needs to add more peppers and seasonings. You can never have too many spices. Spicy wasabi chips. Delicious! Attention! Everything's in place. Both girls like this guy, which is why they are suddenly uninterested in their food. And the young man doesn't mind eating either. Spicy peppers. Or sweet marshmallows. It seems like his preferences are diverse. However, the girls aren't eager to share a boyfriend. Oh! It looks like an explosive cocktail is brewing. Even the cute, sweet Candy could become conniving and dangerous. But Spicy won't give up either. There's only one problem. The object of their affections has already driven these girls crazy. They don't notice anyone or anything around them. It really looks like we're about to get Mortal Kombat, sweet versus hot, in the cafeteria. Tensions rising. Finally! They notice that no one's there to fight anymore. And if so, maybe we should compete fairly? Let him pick himself. Deal. They exchange delicacies to honor their armistice. Here's something for you, and for you. The way to a guy's heart is through his stomach. Well, this is the perfect opportunity for Candy to lay it out. With a sweet cake. She is an expert, after all. Delicious! Well, well, well. Who's there? Spicy? Oh, did Candy make a cake? Blah! It's so sweet that it's disgusting! This seriously needs some Tabasco. More! More sauce! She just has to make sure the color matches the berry filling. Jack will remember this treat for a long time. Here comes Candy. Without suspecting a thing, she takes a piece of cake and brings it to her beloved for tasting. Oh, Jack brought flowers. That's so cute. And your cake looks really nice, too. Jack can't wait wait to try it. It's delicious. Oh, a chocolate bar in the bouquet? You shouldn't have. It's the perfect surprise for any fan of sweets. Meanwhile, Jack pops a piece of cake in his mouth and… This is definitely the spiciest dessert he's ever had. His mouth is on fire. Is he smoking? What should she do? Candy is panicking. Maybe some fresh air will help? Spicy grabbed a bucket of water just in the nick of time. I think that's what Jack needs right now. Phew, thanks. Point for Spicy. Now it's time to showcase her culinary talents. Spicy is cooking up something unique. These are chili peppers. What are those noises? Oh, that's just candy. What? Are you following me? No! What are you talking about? I just came by to grab some chocolate. She needs to neutralize her opponent fast. And Spicy naively thought she succeeded. But Candy wasn't going anywhere. Her plan is to ruin the food. She'll have to put in some work and fill each pepper with liquid caramel. Here you go! Now she can leave the scene of the crime. Just in time. Spicy decorates her dish with a chili sauce heart. Time to take the treat to her beloved guest. Here he is, with a bouquet of peppers. Original! And Spicy loves it. Well, time for Jack to see how she stacks up. He's prepared for a spicy meal this time. But instead he breaks a tooth! Pepper stuffed with hard caramel? That stuff hardened into a stone! Oh! Spicy is just speechless! A broken tooth is a great reason to visit the dentist. That's just… the face of the doctor seems so familiar. Yes! It's Candy! What a surprise! But it's too late for him to run away. After his appointment, it's surprising he has any teeth left at all. The movies are a great location for a date. The treats are there. What else do you need? Hey. The chips aren't hot enough. We need to bust out the sauce. Whoops! Oh! Jack is feeling that chili all over his face. Looks like he got some in his eye. Spicy is trying to salvage the situation. Hey. Ow! Stop! Your hands are covered in spicy sauce! Oops! Another date with Jack ruined! Now a sweet little walk with Candy. Nothing crazy is expected. However, it won't be without fun. After all, Candy just spotted a hive! That means there's honey inside. She just has to have it. Wow! Jack, of course, knows that she loves all things sweet. But that's a little much. Hey! The prey is in her grasp. Now let's try this honey. Oops! Hey! I can't see anything! Ouch! Something bit me! Help! This is awkward, but the honey sure is delicious. It's time to wrap up this competition. The results are pretty bad. Not a single successful date. And all because of you. Oh, just look at you. Here comes Jack. Poor guy. I think he was allergic to bees. Yeah, those dates were pretty hard on him. What did we ever see in him? He isn't even handsome at all. Ew! Unlike this guy. Looks like it's time to change course. The sweet and hot adventures await some other lucky man. Did you like this sketch about a sweet girl and a spicy girl? What would you choose? A sweet lollipop or some spicy chips? Let us know in the comments. Want to see a sequel to this video? Be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and click on the bell so you don't miss anything from Troom Select.